What do wheel spacers do on BMW XM? 2023 BMW XM wheel spacers are not only useful for improving the vehicle's stance, but it also aids in handwheel upgrades. Most BMW customers not only desire the power of surging vehicle, but also have a high demand for handling the vehicle. This can be reflected in both steering and braking. 2023 BMW XM wheel spacers can increase the length of the track, making the vehicle more stable in the corner. More grip will help the vehicle to go through the corner at a higher speed. BONOSS forged wheel spacers are made of high-grade 6061T6 or 7075T6 aluminum alloy, which features many desirable properties, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. Modern CNC machining by 0.02mm tolerance. The multi-stage half-century design fits the wheel hub better. Meanwhile, the matching wheel studs adhere to ISO standard grade 12.9. All of our products have got more than 15 SGS TUV authority test reports.
If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye bye.